Hi guys, welcome to Tech 360. In this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix Windows 11 or 10 floating transparent rectangular box. Okay, so let's go to search icon and write Task Manager. Now go very bottom and you'll find here Windows Explorer. Just right click and click on restart, and it will take 5 or 6 seconds. Hold on, and now check back that if it's work or not. If it's still the issue, then what you're gonna do is going here, right, personalization or right here settings, and you'll find here this option personalization. Click on this. After that you will find here a taskbar option. Here you should find, or here you should find taskbar option in Windows 11, but I'm using now Windows 10, that's why it's not showing here. But in your case you should be finding taskbar, and click on the taskbar and then click on disable. Okay, disable the taskbar will work. Then restart your computer and check back, it will fix for you. So guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.